This is Abia State, Aba Town. Do well to like, comment and share this video. For years, successive Nigerian governments have consistently disregarded this vital road. Thank God for the recent repairs and construction. This road has caused economic stagnation, leading to the closure of businesses. This has negatively impacted the standard of living, youth unemployment, government revenue, and overall productivity. Ikot Ekpene to Aba Road is a vital lifeline for most communities and this region at large. Years of neglect have left the road marred with craters, endangering lives and damaging vehicles. You will see how bad and frustrating it is to travel on this road. Effort has been made with the ongoing construction and repair, but is it enough to reverse this huge damage? The 64.69 billion naira road construction of Ikot Ekpene Akwa Ibom State to Abia State was awarded by the federal government to CGGC Global Project Nigeria Limited. The project is funded by the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited (NNPCL) under the Road Infrastructure Tax. Ikot Ekpene to Aba road construction started in the Abia State axis because of the deplorable condition of the section of the road. The Ikot Ekpene to Aba road has fallen into a state of disrepair, with potholes and uneven surfaces making travel hazardous. The deteriorating infrastructure has led to frequent traffic jams, causing immense frustration and delays for commuters and businesses alike. Businesses along this route are suffering due to delays in transportation and increased operational costs. The deteriorating road has resulted in damaged goods, higher fuel consumption, and decreased efficiency, directly impacting our economy and livelihood. As we proceed, you will see how far they have gone with the construction. This is the only area of the road that looks like something has happened. I can imagine how beautiful this road will be if they do not abandon this project. The story of the Ikot Ekpene to Aba road is a stark reminder of the urgent need for revitalizing Nigeria's infrastructure. It is a call to action for all stakeholders to work together and restore this vital artery, ensuring a safer and more prosperous future for the people it serves. Do well to like, comment and share this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button so when we post a new video you can be notified. Thank you.